Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Lush Mutation in Grow a Garden Safari update. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to quickly get the Lush Mutation, you need to have Lush Sprinkler, and you can get the Lush Sprinkler from the Safari shop. Okay, you can buy the Lush Sprinkler here, and as you can see that it can turn a plant into lushy plant. Okay, and then you can also get this Lush Sprinkler from submitting your plants or your fruits to the NPC, this NPC, and you will have chance to get Lush Sprinkler. Wait, let me show you the possible reward. The possible individual reward, as you can see, you will have 5% possibility to get the Lush Sprinkler. And after you get the Lush Sprinkler, you can put it on your garden. And I'm going to put this sprinkler here. Okay, right here. And I'm going to click on confirm. Yeah, just like this. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the Lush Mutation and Grow Garden game of Roblox Safari update. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.